Hi guys, this is Chris. Anyways, I'm rented a Home Depot truck. As you see, it goes for $19 for 75 minutes. I decided to rent it for a day. Anyways, let me show you around. I mean, it definitely does have enough room. As you see, the seat is back. Small but okay size screen. These do look like they're almost like leather cloth seats. Now let me show you the engine. It looks like it's a 6.6 liter Allison transmission, as you see. Let me walk around the vehicle. It does have HID lights, not LED. And these are side blinkers on both sides. Anyways, now let me lock it and show you what it does. The mirrors fold in, which is really helpful when you need to park in an empty space. Or in a parking spot, I should say. Anyways, it's decent amount of room. I've been going back and forth the whole day today and trying to move stuff. Let me show you in the cockpit. Sorry. Ooh, it's hot in here. Hold on. It's like 87 out right now, which is hot when it's been pretty cool in South Florida. Anyways, you have audio, you have all these settings, Bluetooth, OnStar, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Right now it says no device connected, although I did connect it. Anyways, here's the radio settings. You have home and different kinds of stuff. You just can go through the settings, whatever you want. It currently has about 17,000 miles. The headlights are here. If you want to make sure the lights are always on, put them on automatic, because they adjust when it gets dark and the lights come on automatically. What else am I missing? Oh, they have these little different type of cargo light things, and that's to adjust the display screen, how bright it is. It can fit 3 people, but it would kind of be tight. Sorry for the mess. I'm in the middle of trying to clean it out. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Have a good day and stay blessed and happy.